step-by-SteBuyzNthehood.com. It's a beautiful day in the hood. What day is today?
Demo day.
It's demo day. No, just another day in the hood. Doing it for the love, for the money, for the fun,
And for getting the medal.
and for scrapping the metal, he says.
There.
Mostly for the fun. Hey, test the microphone. That's it. Got a message for your fans? If you work hard, you can do anything. If you work hard, you can do anything. We're gonna tear out this floor. See how rotten the subfloor is. I know it's rotten because the water got in and destroyed the floor, the hardwood floor. So if those are destroyed, rest assured you can bet the subfloor is destroyed too. So probably gonna wind up tearing out the whole hardwood floor and then also the subfloor. Then we can level the floor from underneath and then come back with all new plywood. So that's the plan. But then once we got that done, we'll have a nice, safe, sound, walkable structure. So I'm going to take my skill saw and I'm going to rip down the center of the room first. That's going to make it easier to take the boards out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust my saw, my circular saw. There's a guide on here. That's how you do it, partner. Alright, we're on demo day number, I'm not even sure anymore. Okay, we're on dumpster number 3. Filled up a 40, a 30, and another 30. Doing some demo in here. We'll do a walkthrough and see how nasty it is. Watch the floor. You want to fall through and break your leg. We got some water damage here. There was a hole in the roof from the fire. We pulled out the hardwood floors. The subfloors are shot. Those are gonna have to come out too. We got some termite damage over here. We shot some video for you. You can see what they look like. Definitely gotta watch your step.
This video will be so long. Like the longest one ever. I need a GoPro that like these videos.
Now that we got the hardwood floors out, these floors are so bad because of termite and water damage that we're gonna actually have to start cutting out a lot of the subfloor. Actually, we're gonna pry it out. Saw down the middle of the room so the boards aren't so long, and then pry it out with a pickaxe. So let's show you what that looks like up close. There's a TV show called Good Bones. I'm not sure if this qualifies for Good Bones or not, but definitely qualifies for SteP-by-SteBuyz N the Hood. So anyways, just remember, I'm not a professional. Please try this at home.